hope you are doing well. It's your girl TTNG. So today we're gonna make we are still by the aloe vera. Then we're gonna make the creme bora for the hair, food hair. For our hair we need food. Our hair need food. As we are eating every day, you know, our hair has to eat too. So then I decided to make aloe vera food hair, aloe vera bora hair. So that is the rest of our aloe vera. You see, the one we make last time, because the aloe vera was very big, and I didn't make everything. I didn't put everything on my hair, so I leave those one to make the aloe vera food. Look at this, juicy. So what we're gonna do now is just to cut the aloe vera in small pieces like this, because we need the skin and we need the gel. So but we need to cut it small like this. Then by the process of cutting, you just have to be careful so that you will not cut your hand, your finger. I mean, if you can see the way I'm cutting it, I first cut it in the middle, because everything has, the oil has to suck the gel, so to have all the nutrients that we need for our hair food. Look at this. You already know the benefit of aloe vera in our hair, and you know how aloe vera is good for our hair. So that's why we are doing this one, so that our hair has to benefit also for the good thing of aloe vera. So you can see now we have cut everything. That is so now we need our fry pan on our fire. I always speak I always put a bit German inside. I'm sorry, you know, English language is not my language, but I'm trying my best so that you understand what I'm saying. So we have here our ingredients, our oil. I have my coconut oil that you already know is bio coconut oil. That is that's organic. It's very good. It's the mark Nature Good, and I have the same brand. Nature Good is the olive oil. It's also organic, and I have the avocado oil. Can you see this one? I love this one. The brand is Mamadou. This one, this avocado oil is very good. So but in this first process, I will not put the avocado oil. I will put it later, then you will see. So then now we just have to take 2 tablespoons of our oil, coconut oil. So the process is the same if you want to make your hair oil. So but you can use any oil of your choice. Me, I like using this one because that is what works for me. I like it. Olive oil, I like coconut oil, but you can go and use any oil of your choice. And those are the things, that the 2 oils that I already have at home. You don't need to go and buy special oil if you don't, maybe you are not ready to buy it and you have something at home. Then just use it. Alpha is organic, alpha is those vegetable oil. It's good. You see, now our coconut oil is okay. Then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I love the olive oil. So then mix everything like this. You see, like the coconut oil is white and the olive oil is green, that kind of yellow green. Look, then it took over of the white of the coconut oil. And that why when you make the oil will not be thick, will not be stark. How can I say it? The oil will still remain like this because the olive oil is taking over. So that is what. Then now we just gonna add. I can already smell the the scent of the oil. Then now we're just gonna add our precious yes, just gonna add our precious Aleo Vera. We add our precious Aleo Vera. You hear the noise. Yeah, the noise is because you know Aleo Vera is wara. It's something that has a lot of wara. And when you put wara something, even when you are frying meat or fish, you put it on the oil, it always makes that noise. That's why here also the noise is normal. If somebody can eat aloe vera like this because it's very, look at this, look very nice. So I don't know if you can see, it already started being a bit brownish. So we're just gonna leave it for some minutes. So look at this. So everything is mixed. We have our oil. So look nice, eh? It look nice. So gosh. So I'm gonna leave it now to cool down. Then come and show you the result. So now our oil is cooled down. I'm gonna add it in this box. Use this one. So yet we have it. Let's just trim everything here. Those oil are precious oil. We have to take everything. We don't have to leave. You have to take everything. And the oil that remain on our finger, we'll put it on our hair. Then that is our oil. I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons for this precious oil, avocado oil. Then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for some minutes so that the oil will be strong and come and show you, and we go to the next process. Okay, then see you soon. So that is the butter is now strong. Then let's just make it be soft. I just have to go with my stand mixer. Let's just start. Can you see this? Wow, it's strong. So we are about to get there. Look at this. It's getting soft. And this oil is so nourished. You remember everything I put inside. Can you see this? This oil, you put it on your hair will thank you. Say thank you for giving me this kind of food. Your hair will thank you. Hi, yeah, look, I have here 2 small bottles and this one too. And those are the 2 bottles to keep my oil inside, and so that I can be access to it at any time I wish. So but before then, like I always say, if you have like vitamin E, you can go and add it, okay? But I love the texture of the oil. So then we're gonna add lavender essence oil. Then just mix it. Look at this. Look at this. Now we just gonna add it on the bottle. Can you see this? Oh my gosh, can you see this? Then I just cover it like this. Wow. And now the remaining one, we have to put it here inside. This one can last you for like 2 or 3 months. You don't have to go and buy something else for your hair, because here we have everything we need for the hair. I'm telling you, just try it and you will thank me later. Okay, you don't even have to thank me, but your hair will thank you, okay? I love it, my gosh. You can just thank me by giving me a thumbs up, by sharing and comment, and yes, and subscribing if you are not done yet. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Like the video, comment and share. This oil, you can put this cream, this butter, aloe vera butter oil, hair butter, you can put it on your hair every 2 days. It's making your hair to hydrate, is making you, removing the hinching, giving you healthy scalp, make your hair to grow fast and thicker. Thank you for watching, and like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not done yet, to encourage me and help your sis. See you in the next video. Bye.